In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to film yourself using nothing but your iPhone or Android device. I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy cup tripod, so that way you're not just leaning your phone up against books and hoping that it doesn't fall down. But I'm also going to be showing you guys how to make your smartphone video look professional, just like this video, because this is shot right on my smartphone, right off of my iPhone, so be sure to stick around till the end for that. Now, I highly recommend that you pick up a tripod and an iPhone tripod mount because this is probably one of the easier ways to film yourself. Plus, both a tripod and an iPhone tripod mount are pretty easy and cheap to find on Amazon or at Walmart. But for some of you, you don't have money to spend on camera gear. That's why I want to show you how to make a tripod for your smartphone using nothing but a paper cup. So all you're going to need is a plastic or paper cup and then a pair of scissors. So basically what you're going to do is flip the cup upside down and you're going to cut on both sides about 1 inch to 2 inches down. And then you'll just need to cut the paper cup to fit the width of your phone. Once it's wide enough, slide your phone in and boom, you have a smartphone tripod. Now, for filming yourself, I highly recommend that you use the back-facing camera because this is going to give you the highest quality video that your phone can produce. The only problem you kind of run into is you can't see yourself, and so you don't know really what your video looks like. Thankfully, I have a solution for that as well. So chances are you're already going to be stacking up some boxes or some books, so that way your smartphone tripod is lined up with your height. So one of the things you can do is you can take a simple handheld mirror and then tape it to the side of the book. Then, when you get to the other side where you can't see the screen, simply tilt the book until the mirror lines up with your camera screen. This will then give you the ability to see the screen enough so that way you can make sure that you're lined up and that you're in frame and be able to film. Now you can get the maximum quality video from your smartphone and still be able to see your screen at the same time. So let's go over some tips on how to make that smartphone footage look professional. One of the first things we can do is make sure that you are following the rule of thirds. Most smartphones, if you go into the settings, will allow you to place a 3x3 grid onto your video, which if we turn on this grid, it will help us follow what we call the rule of thirds. Basically, on a 3x3 grid, there are 4 points where lines intersect. If you make sure that whatever you're filming, like yourself, is lined up and is touching one of those 4 points that are the intersecting points, it'll make your footage look a lot more cinematic. And this is something we commonly see in a lot of Hollywood movies and TV shows. It's a very simple step and definitely something I highly recommend to follow. Next, let's talk about lighting because lighting is a crucial part of getting good professional video. So there are 2 sources of light that we have. We have natural light and we have unnatural light. Natural light is free and you can usually find it anywhere on the world, and it usually does a really good job at lighting you up for your videos. So if you have some windows, go over by your windows, let it light your face up. Usually helps make your videos look good. If natural light is not an option at the time, you can always use unnatural light. So basically just go around, gather up some lamps from within the house, try to light up the room as much as possible. You're filming with these very little lenses on your phone, so the more light you have in the room, the better. Let's talk about the background. You can't just set up your smartphone and start filming anywhere. No one wants to see your room, you hoarder. So having a good clean background is important for getting good professional video. In my videos, I usually have this white paper as my complete background, but in this video, I just used a desk and kind of just have my stuff neatly set up. I have a light kind of shining on it so you can kind of see the stuff in the background, and it looks nice. So make sure you are paying attention to the background behind you because this will greatly affect your video. If you'd like to keep learning about smartphone filmmaking, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.